Many students fail chemistry not because chemistry is difficult, but because they study it the wrong way. My name is Chemist AI Onyekachi Anselmigwe. I've taught chemistry for over 16 years and I've observed one thing consistently. Students repeat the same mistakes and pay for them in exams. In this video, I'll explain why students fail chemistry and how to stop it. The first major reason students fail chemistry is memorization without understanding. Chemistry is not a subject you cram, it is a logical subject. When you memorize formulas without understanding where they come from and how to apply them, you will forget them during exams. A simple rule: if you cannot explain a chemistry concept in your own words, then you do not understand it. The second reason students fail chemistry is ignoring practical chemistry. Many students focus only on theory, but examiners test application. In chemistry practicals, accuracy matters, method matters, explanation matters. You must understand why you are carrying out an experiment, not just what the final answer is. When you ignore practical chemistry, you lose easy marks. The third reason students fail chemistry is weak fundamentals. Topics like mole concept, chemical equations, etc. are the foundation of chemistry. If your foundation is weak, advanced topics will always confuse you. Chemistry builds step by step, and you cannot skip steps and expect clarity later. So how do you stop failing chemistry? There are 3 simple principles. First, understand before you memorize. Always ask, why does this work? Second, practice calculations regularly. Chemistry is learned by solving problems, not by reading notes. Third, study with the examiner in mind. Learn how answers are marked, not just how they are written. When you study this way, chemistry becomes predictable. Chemistry is not hard. It is often poorly explained. If you want chemistry explained clearly and directly, subscribe to Chemist AI, where chemistry is made easy. I'll see you in the next lesson.